What we're looking at here is the Kayo USA K2 230. This could be the best entry-level dirt bike ever made. We started with a reliable air-cooled 4-stroke engine that delivered smooth and reliable power. That motor is mated to a 5-speed transmission that lets you take advantage of the wide-open torque range this bike has to offer. The suspension has been tuned to the sturdy frame and yields a dirt bike that is ready to hit the trails. This bike comes with either an optional headlight, as shown here, or with a number plate. You get to choose. Now let's dig into some of the features, specs, and benefits of this Kayo K2 230. This bike comes in with an MSRP of $2,399. It features a single overhead cam, 4-stroke, 223cc air-cooled motor. It has an electronic ignition, a 5-speed transmission, and it puts power to ground via chain drive. When it comes to the suspension up front, we find inverted forks and a single monoshock in the rear. When it comes to stopping power, we have hydraulic disc brake up front and a hydraulic disc brake in the rear. When it comes to tires and wheels, we have an 80-100-21 up front and a 110-90-18 in the rear. The seat height of this entry-level dirt bike is 34.5 inches and the wheelbase is 52.75 inches. This bike has a total ground clearance of 12.5 inches and holds 1.77 gallons of fuel. This best ever entry-level dirt bike comes in at a weight of just 231 pounds. If you have any further questions about this Kayo K2 230, please leave a comment down below and ask away. Or you can click the link down below and go visit azmotocity.com. And if you'd like to talk to us on the phone, we're always here for you. The number is 623-777-1626. Thank you for your interest in Kayo motorcycles. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.